support your local vendors.
The other side's horrible.
That's a rash.
It's 24 by 9, 24 by 11.
And the 24.
You know what I'm talking about?
Pumping gas, man. God, man. Expensive, huh?
El rojo delata mi rostro, ojos que nublan mis ojos, es el efecto de mi suave, el picadero es un pecorrero, me miranse sospechosos, mi semante.
Support your local vendors.
¿Y cuánto le va a cobrar por eso?
Like $5. Like $5. ¿Cómo se puso? Hella pack. Smack or what? Sorry.
Dice, evito las malas vibras, es muy cierto, hay niveles en la vida, propio paso, pero en mi propia línea, no les miento, la subida fue en putiza, muy contento de mi puesto porque me costó, es notable el movimiento, ando lo chocó, por cada tomando riesgos para obtener mando, pero gasto y a la misma vez la lucho, andamos en lo mismo y va para largo el trabajo, por correo traigo mandado, área 530 radicamos, del 209 la clintona con respaldo.
Emilio, why are you hiding, Emilio?
You got a neck brace. No, man.
Why are you hiding, Emilio? You know damn well it's not the mask.
It's actually not required. Oh, you brought the cooler. What do you have here? Oh, you need ice?
Touch the perico.
It's from yesterday.
What's up, Pre?
What up? Bro, what happened to your head?
Oh, he always had that ball spot. No ice? There's ice? Oh, that's a little bit. Y'all already seen Emilio's hickey or what?
Dude, it's bad.
It's bad. It's hella bad. Alright, let me see. Yeah, show me, way. You better bring that shit down. Break it down.
Huh?
Break it down.
Yeah, it's horrible, and the other side's horrible.
Oh, verga. That is not a hickey, but that's a rash. We all ready straight? Shit, we'll make it happen. You parking next to the floor, Fairly? Let's run him. What's up,
What's up, bro?
Chilling it out? ¿Qué ole? What's up, bro?
Bloqueando,
Yeah.
raza.
Shout out, Hilarios. What's up, Pre? You gonna raffle them or what?
We're wrapping these out right here.
Damn.
$50.
$50.
$50, 50 numbers.
¿Estas o esas?
So this is how it works. If you win the raffle,
Yeah, you can choose.
pick the wheels and tires or $2,000 cash, whatever you want.
Oh, okay.
You can buy anything else you want if you don't like the ones that are raffled out.
It's a value of $3,200.
Aquí rifando estos rines in famous 24 by 9, 24 by 11s, staggered true directional with tires, mounted and balanced. $50 a ticket, 50 tickets only. Hit me up on my Instagram at DJOscar707 or Hilarios Repair. Ahí estamos, carnal.
Órale,
Saludos.
mira nomás. Go follow them.
Sándwich, estamos aquí.
El sándwich también, primero. Talibán para cash out. ¿Va a cash out, hombre?
First time?
Ya cayó la chota. Cayó la chota.
And the 24.
Ya que los invitó en la mañana. Hey, bro, today's a meet.
He's a little foreman.
Check it out. Hella hot.
It is.
Stupid hot. So I got my sombrero on. She got nothing on.
Sun's out, sombreros out.
Hey. Sticker. No, me ganó.
No.
When the sun hits
Kind
it.
of lighter. Turn on my cigar.
What the fuck? Looks like you got the blood. What happened?
I bought it like 2 years ago.
I swear to God.
Years ago.
I bought it
That
in.
should probably get you high now,
I think I
bro.
got it in Vegas or something like that.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? You know? You gotta put that fucking sticker on the fucking windshield, you know? What the fuck you doing?
Say my mo.
Where's the lighter at?
Say my mo.
Say my mom.
You know, we gotta fucking kill all these motherfuckers.
They're gonna be like, damn, you got your wheels from there?
I didn't even buy my rims there.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're hella expensive. Way.
ain't nobody got enough.
Corte.
Corte.
Little Marvin.
Is that a stock 5.3?
What are you doing? Now Emilio has a Ram SRT10.
I came up.
You came up already? You grew that fast?
Yep.
But do you know how to drive stick though? That's a real question. Get down, get down. Just pull up right here to eat real quick and check it out. Mancha and Emilio. How $22 taste?
We'll see right now.
Wet.